Linea Pro and Infinia, made by Infinite Peripherals, allow for blazingly fast and reliable barcode scanning and RFID reading or writing. Some scanners are also equipped with a programmable button you can use as an additional control for your app. Let me show you how easily I can integrate these scanners into my own custom app made with Claris FileMaker. Here is a simple app I created to use as a self-checkout shopping cart scanner. It has a table with all my products and their unit prices, and a shopping cart layout where I want to add product simply by scanning their EAN barcodes. And this is my Infinia X reader I want to use with my app as a fast barcode scanner. To make my app able to communicate with the device, I first need to obtain a developer key from Infinite Peripherals. This is done through their online developer portal, and I need to know what bundle ID I will use for my app already. I then have to provide the developer key to the GoNectar plugin. This needs to be done only once per session, so I will do it in the startup script that I have configured as the onFirstWindowOpen trigger. I can pass my developer key to the plugin using the GoNectar set script step or function with the AppDev key as a selector and Linea Infinia as an option. The developer key goes to the new value parameter. To save battery of both the scanner and your phone, the scanner is not connected by default. I have to manually turn it on by processing the scanning button and then connect the app to it using a plugin function or script step. So, let's create a script for that. In the script, I will simply use the GoNectar Connect script step and specify Linea Infinia as the device I want to connect. I will capture the result into a global variable called Scanner Connect Result so that I can visually indicate when I have successfully connected and the app is ready to scan barcodes. I will then refresh the window to indicate the connection. To be able to use the same script to also disconnect from the scanner, I can check this global variable and decide what to do based on its value. If the value is 0, which means I have successfully connected to the scanner, I will use the GoNectar disconnect script step instead and again specify Linea Infinia as the device name. I will leave the refresh window script step outside of the condition so that it refreshes my indicator both when connecting and disconnecting from the scanner. Then I have to reset the global variable. Now I can switch to layout mode and add a button to connect or disconnect the scanner. I can use the barcode icon to reflect the fact that the button actually controls the barcode scanner connection, and select the Cart Connect/Disconnect Scanner script as an action for the button. Let's use a conditional formatting to indicate whether the scanner is connected or not. I think that light green could be a good color to indicate that. What do you think? Let me try how it works. I first have to press the scanner button to wake it up. Now, I can tap the button on my layout to connect my app to the scanner. As you can see, the green color of the button icon indicates the scanner is now successfully connected. I want to set the scanner to simply run a script whenever I scan a barcode, so I will create a new script and name it Cart Scan Barcode. The script will receive data from the scanner as a JSON formatted parameter. So I will extract the EAN from the parameter into a variable using the JSON-getElement function. GoNectar can, in some instances, such as when reading RFID, provide more than one value, so the parameter is always an array of values. In this case, I will always receive just one barcode, so I can simply read the first array value by using 0 as the array index. The EAN itself comes in the property named data. Once I have the EAN in a variable, I can simply run the script I have already prepared to add the scanned product to the shopping cart. The last thing I have to do is tell GoNectar to run my script on every barcode scan. To do this, I will use the setScriptEvent script step right after connecting to the scanner. I will use Linea Infinia as the device name again, specify onBarcodeRead as the event I'm interested in, and copy the name of the script to run when a barcode is scanned. Well, and that's pretty it. Let me try it out and scan a few times. Wasn't that easy?